Cardano value equivalent to $0.2918 a coin. The present reach, $0.2901. $0.2938. The earlier day close, $0.2933. The change was 0.0015, 0.51%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for August 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.31. Greatest cost 31 cents. Least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 28 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 26 cents. Change for August 16.1%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. To start with cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 29 cents. Least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 23 cents. Change for September 11.5%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 27 cents. Least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 25 cents. Change for October 8.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.25. Greatest cost 25 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 23 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 21 cents. Change for November 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $0.21. Most extreme cost 21 cents. Least cost 19 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 20 cents. Change for December 4.8%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.20. Most extreme cost 21 cents. Least cost 19 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 20 cents. Change for January 0.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 25 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 23 cents. Change for February 15.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 23 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 21 cents. Change for spring 8.7%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $0.21. Greatest cost 26 cents. Least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 23 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 24 cents. Change for April 14.3%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.24. Most extreme cost 24 cents. Least cost 19 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 20 cents. Change for May 16.7%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 20 cents. Least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 18 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 17 cents. Change for June 15.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place cost at $0.17. Greatest cost 17 cents. Least cost 15 cents. The normal for the month 16 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 16 cents. Change for July 5.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $0.16. Most extreme cost 17 cents. Least cost 15 cents. The normal for the month 16 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 16 cents. Change for August 0.0%. United States dollars to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 3.4270 Cardanos per $1. The present reach 3.4037 3.4471. The earlier days nearby 3.4095. Change for now plus 0.0175. Plus 0.51%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for August 2023. Initially cost at 3.226 Cardanos, most extreme cost 4.348, least 3.226. The normal for the month 3.662. The United States dollars to ADA gauge toward the month's end 3.846, change for August 19.2%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for September 2023. To start with cost at 3.846 Cardanos, greatest cost 4.762. Least 3.448. The normal for the month 4.101. The United States dollars to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 4.348. Change for September 13.1%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for October 2023. At the outset cost at 4.348 Cardanos, most extreme cost 4.348, least 3.704. The normal for the month 4.100. The United States dollars to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 4.000. Change for October 8.0%. Dollar to Cardano conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 4.000 Cardanos, most extreme cost 5.000, least 4.000. The normal for the month 4.441. The United States dollars to ADA gauge toward the month's end 4.762, change for November 19.1%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for December 2023. In the first place cost at 4.762 Cardanos, greatest cost 5.263. Least 4.762. The normal for the month 4.947. The United States dollars to ADA estimate toward the month's end 5.000. Change for December 5.0%. Dollar to Cardano estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at 5.000 Cardanos, greatest cost 5.263. Least 4.762. The normal for the month 5.006. The United States dollars to ADA gauge toward the month's end 5.000. Change for January 0.0%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at 5.000 Cardanos, greatest cost 5.000, least 4.000. The normal for the month 4.587. The United States dollars to ADA estimate toward the month's end 4.348. Change for February 13.0%. Dollar to Cardano figure for WOC 2024. Before all else cost at 4.348 Cardanos, most extreme cost 5.000, least 4.348. The normal for the month 4.615. The United States dollars to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 4.762. Change for spring 9.5%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at 4.762 Cardanos, most extreme cost 4.762, least 3.846. The normal for the month 4.384. The United States dollars to ADA gauge toward the month's end 4.167. Change for April 12.5%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for May 2024. To start with cost